Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close Capital.com account. If you want to delete or close your Capital.com account, first of all, open up your Capital.com app on your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, you will see this interface where you need to go ahead and simply go ahead and click on Settings. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the close account button. If you are sure you'd like to delete your account, click on close account. Now go through the information and then click on close account once again. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account by clicking confirm. Right after you do that, you'll receive an email on your registered email inbox. Select the web browser to open it up with and click on the confirm button and follow through the prompts, and you will then be able to request your account closure by providing your details and reason for closing. After you do that, you will then be able to delete your Capital.com account. Before deleting your account, ensure all of your funds are withdrawn. Check if there is any pending transaction or obligations to resolve before closing. You may also need to verify your identity before they proceed with closing your accounts, so make sure you are sure you'd like to delete your account and be ready to provide any information if needed. So that's how you easily proceed for your account closure on Capital.com. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials for Capital.com. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.